Hello, everyone, and welcome to a daily quick clean with me. This is a power hour because it's how long it takes me to clean this apartment. Now, you see me making the bed, but usually when I get up, I go to the bathroom, I take care of what I need to take care of first, brush my teeth, my hair, get dressed, whatever I need to do because they say it's better to just let your bed air out a little bit. And we do have a foam mattress, so to have it rise, it just makes it that much better. Here I'm folding our pajamas and putting away clothes in the hamper. Now, we put our clothes behind our pillows because it's just convenient. So our pajamas are ready when we come home or ready to get back into bed. Everything's behind there. And plus, I don't want to fold, pajamas that we've worn for a night already into like a clean drawer or anything. I don't know if you guys noticed, but we do have a balcony door in our bedroom. So summer, spring, fall, winter, whatever season, there's always dust in the bedroom. But if you clean daily, you don't have that problem. Our nightstands are black too, so you see every little thing. So a quick wipe down never hurts anybody. Moving into the bathroom, I use this bathroom the most only because it's just convenient because it's in the bedroom. But yeah, it's the smallest bathroom we have. We have another guest bathroom, which you'll see in a little bit. But yeah, this one's just a quick clean, wipe down, the mirrors, wipe down the counters. I like to use my hands for everything. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't wear gloves in any of my cleaning. I know they say it's safer for your fingers, your hands, whatever it is, but truth is I get a better clean when I use my hands. Even with the toilets, it's just one of those things. I know it's gross. Listen, I prefer it that way. I get a better clean. I've been using the Method bathroom cleaner, and my God, this is not sponsored at all, but still, Method smells so freaking good that, my God, yes, I will use them all the time. So bringing out the vacuum, I like to take everything out and then vacuum, or at least pick things up and vacuum under it. But I don't know if you noticed that too, but I have really long hair and it's dark, and our number one thing you see the most is hair. Between Jordan and I, we're a very hairy couple. But yep, gotta vacuum every day. And it's a Dyson, so who doesn't have fun with a Dyson? On to the guest bathroom. This is the one that Jordan uses the most. Now, he shaves in here, and I don't even know what you call it, but it's like an apron or something that attaches to the mirror, and he shaves and it just falls into like this apron thing, and then he dusts it in the bathtub. So I'm constantly cleaning that bathtub, which is fine because I love cleaning anyway. I feel like cleaning is so therapeutic sometimes. It just feels so good. Again, pick up the things, vacuum under it. I mean, you have a spare hand anyway, you might as well. I feel like sometimes when people just like clean around it, it's just, a little lazy way to do it, but I can't do it that way. I have to pick things up and put them back and just keep cleaning. So because we are in an apartment, our cardboard recycling days are Wednesdays, and it's every other week. So we got a little cove in the kitchen. I guess it's for like an office chair. I don't know. But we keep all our cardboard here, and when the time comes, we cut it down, break it down, put it together, so when it's ready to go, we just put it outside and bye-bye cardboard. So we have a decent-sized kitchen. I'm not going to lie, for an apartment, this is great. With washing, I have a handheld, I guess, sponge that has a tube that you can put soap in. It just has like little beads in it to help, get that grime off. And then a regular sponge that I like to use. Now with water bottles, we like to compress them down into small little bits so we fit more inside because, again, apartment and recycling is, Tuesday nights weekly. And with a good-sized kitchen, you have a lot of cleaning, which, again, nothing feels better than seeing a clean-ass kitchen. Moving everything, countertops clean. So I don't know if anybody has this, but usually when I cook on the stove, I tend to make a mess. I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I was thinking about getting those mats that you put in between that, I guess, just pick up crumbs or leftovers of some sort, and it's just easier to clean. That's what they say, but I was thinking of trying that out, but who knows. So anything we touch with our hands, or I used, again, method, not sponsored, to just disinfect everything. I swear this Dyson picks up every little thing. All you Dyson owners, yes. So we spend a lot of time in the living room. I am the type of cleaner, like I clean one thing, I move it, to the clean side. And everything else that goes on, like for example, on top of that tray. Whatever I'm cleaning every little thing before it goes on that tray. And then I start cleaning around it, moving it to the side. We have a microfiber couch, and it's brown. You see every little detail. Even if I leave a remote or something, like you'll see the imprint of it. I love this couch, yes, I do. But I have to wipe it down all the time. And it's not as bad, but little hack for you guys. If you take a paper towel and you spray it with Febreze, it's it's a little moist, and you could just wipe it and it smells so good. So as you're wiping and cleaning, it's still adding some great smell to it. That's why we can vacuum for hours. Even if I've cleaned a vacuum all day, guess what? Jordan will want to vacuum too. And that's okay, I never say no, go for it. Knock yourself out. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. An hour later, done. And, just coming home to clean and fresh, and it smells good, and like that's the best thing ever. It just feels so good. Yeah, and an hour later, I'm done. But, other people, you can do 30 minutes, just a quick daily wipe down of everything. And truth is, it just feels good. It smells good. And, when Jordan comes home from work, long day of work, he just comes in and it just feels awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out my next video. Click on it. Let me know what you think, how to make your home your sanctuary. Thanks again, guys.